Well, here we are again. It's been a couple days. Oh, old dog. Here he comes again. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, it's been a couple days since I've been around. And I had my bone marrow biopsy. Still don't know all the results from that. Have got no clue what's going on there yet. Then tomorrow I have my PET scan, so that's a full body scan, and I'll find out what, if any, organs have been affected, and we'll see how that goes. I don't know. I mean, the last scan I did out there was a CAT scan, so I don't know. Either CAT or an MRI, I forget. I've had a couple of them. But I got some stuff in the mail yesterday. I figured, well, I might as well go ahead and do that on camera anyway. Let's see. Pretty sure I know what that is. Oh, he's headed for the cat. It's a box. It's a box. And then there's a bag in a box. Ah, there it is. Okay. Now, of course, that's got to be stuck together. That won't work. All right, so we'll do it this way. There we go. That don't work that way. There we go. Okay. Now, what this is, I always seem to run out of electrolytic capacitors. I don't know why. Let me turn the camera a bit. Yeah, I don't know why. I always seem to run out of these things. So, I got about 6 of them there. 2 are 100 microfarad. And, let's see, these 3... What are these guys? Oh, come on, you got to say it under somewhere. I know they're 450 volts. Actually, take a look. Oh, here we go. Alright, here they are. These are 450 volts at 33 microfarads. All 4 of these are. So, anyway, so I got that. And to replace a lot of stuff I've already used. There's 200s, I've used a lot of those too. So those came in, and look at this package. What do you guess is in there? And no, it's not a pillow. This is from a place called Perfect Circuit. And, wow. Yeah, they want to make sure this didn't come apart for sure. Ah, this exploded everywhere. Ah, come on, you open up. This is how they protect a can of deoxit. Actually, that's what this is. This whole thing is for a can of deoxit. Well, that's why. Oh, first. Oh, they even sent me a little sticker. Isn't that nice? So, and of course, deoxit now. This is the cheapest deoxit I could find. This is a standard 5-ounce can. And that cost me, altogether with tax and all, it came to almost $17. And that's the cheapest one you can find. I couldn't find them anywhere else, any cheaper. But, and then the other problem with deoxit is, I don't know if anyone else has had this problem, I know my brother and I have, when we open up a can of deoxit, it tends to go ahead and keep spraying everywhere where it's supposed to. It'll keep leaking. I don't know why they do this, and then the gas gets let out, and then you still have a can that still has deoxit in it. So anyhow, so I had to get a couple of these cans that you can pressurize yourself and put stuff in. So just for that reason. Oh, what do you think you're doing, dog? Ooh, ah. He's got a gun. This is a very old gun. This gun, this is basically what you'd call a 32 caliber pocket pistol. And it looks like this because actually, originally when it was made, it was actually nickeled. And I got this from my aunt who passed away about 30 years ago, and she got it from her brother who passed away way before that. And this actually, I don't know if it even will work, but yeah, it's to the point where this thing has to be taken apart because there is no way this thing would function the way it's supposed to. And don't worry, it's totally empty. This is a break open cylinder it's got. I have actually spare cylinders and stuff for this, but yeah, when I got it, it was totally rusted up. It had been left in a drawer, and it was in a climate that was, you know, near the sea or ocean, so it really got messed up. It only looks like this because I cleaned all the rust off initially, and then. But this is an H&R actually pistol, and it was made back in, the newest patent date on this is 1895. So that's how old this thing is. A modern firearm. Oh yeah, right. Well, not really, but it will take 32 caliber shells. But I am going to take this entire thing apart on video, and some of the smaller parts and stuff, I'm probably going to use my rock tumbler to clean all the small parts. But initially it'll be, you can see this is a really light gun. It's not heavy at all, except this end. Whack the dog with it. Hi. You gonna play with that? Want to lick it? No. He knows what guns are. Look at this dog. See? Look at him. He knows what a gun can do. He's seen these before, so he knows. This is just a dog now. He knows what a gun can do. So go figure. And this has never been pointed at him or anything else. Just next to him. Look at this guy. See? He's a smart dog. Really is. But unlike the people in Washington who are brainless, I've seen the latest thing they're trying to push through now. It's not really gun control; it's gun confiscation. Because when you go ahead and pick up a gun of any kind, and even the ones you have now, especially if you have anything like an AR-15 or something that looks like an AK-47, anything that looks like that, if you do not surrender one of those to the authorities when they come to your house, you will get a $75,000 fine. They will confiscate it anyway, and you will be thrown in prison. This is a new law they're trying to push through next in Congress. It's a new bill. It also, with the same bill, it is going to say that every gun owner has to go ahead and have a psychological evaluation if they have a gun. Their family has to have a psychological evaluation. And on top of that, they have to go to classes for guns. They also have to have a license for ammunition. I mean, oh yeah, oh no, they're not going to take away the Second Amendment. Oh no, they're not going to take it away. No. They are just going to make it so hard for anybody to own a gun that, and so expensive that you will never be able to own one, period. And that is the whole idea. So, yeah, if you find out that this bill is going to go through, call your congressman, call everybody you know, try to get it killed, because right now, with a House and Senate that are all basically Democratic or liberals, they can pass anything they want. So now it comes down to, what are you going to do as an American? Second Amendment was actually done for a very good reason. George Washington said it best. When you tyranny will show up if you have no gun or no firearm to defend yourself. You're defending yourself and your home and your country against tyranny, not just for your own protection. It's for your preservation, your American rights on top of that. So please go ahead and get a hold of your senator, congressman, whatever. Make sure, if you ever see this bill show up. Now, the last one I saw was Biden was trying to go ahead and attach this bill to the stimulus package coming up. So if that goes through, oh yeah, you're gonna get money, and on top of that, they're gonna have a gun control thing in there too. They're gonna use, he's gonna be a writer in that on that on that bill. So yeah, I mean they're going after every American's gun rights. So anyway, that's what I'm going to say about that, and everybody should be aware of it. And that's going to be it for now for me. So I get to have more fun for another scan. Oh, and the dogs bark. No, Chucky. That's it for now.